Assistant Public Prosecutor Tushar Chandra ubala Thung da sorkar jela ban pej habe David ka case jong Sonam hanik sngi ulai tu ba ka sorkar kala Thung da Special Public Prosecutor ban ïasaid persya ya ka Sonam Raghuvanshi kabala kendo don kiti ban penyap ya uraja Raghuvanshi ukurim jong ka hakapor ba ke wankai honeymoon hasora Tushar Chandra ulai tu ba la Thung ya ukeshi Gautam ban kli ban ïasaid haying bishar ya kanai ka case jong ka Sonam.
You see, today new special PP is appointed in Sonam case, Mr. K.C. Gautam. So
Okay.
he will look after. Sorry, I cannot comment. I cannot give any comment. Since special PP is appointed, you can talk with the special PP.
So who is the special PP?
Mr. K.C. Gautam.
So he will be now looking after the case.
Yes.
So why there is a change?
That I don't know. Sorry, no comment.
So what happened transpired today in the court?
I don't know because since special PP is appointed in this case, so anything you can ask from the special PP.
So today
in
who
this
heard the matter on behalf of prosecution?
That special PP only, who is appointed by the government, he will look after the case now onwards.
The special prosecutor.
Yes, the
And
special prosecutor in this Shora case only.
So will there be a special court for this or with the normal
That
court?
I don't know. That I cannot give any comment right now. You can contact with the special PP who is appointed by the government.